Hey everybody, welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. Tonight we have a special drawing with Kimball. Hey Kimball.
Hi.
Hey, what happened to your eye, Kimball?
I got stitches from PE.
What did you do in PE class?
I tripped over a girl's leg.
And what, hit your head?
I hit the head on the PE floor.
Oh, ouch, stitches. Perfect timing for Halloween. Looks like you got some Frankenstein stitches. What are we gonna draw tonight?
Slimer.
Who's Slimer?
He's a ghost from Ghostbusters.
We're gonna draw Slimer from Ghostbusters. This drawing is a little more advanced, so get ready and have fun. We appreciate you and thanks for joining us on
Hey Kids Let's Draw.
Okay everybody, we're gonna start our Slimer drawing with a black marker to outline, and we're gonna use the thin point. So you got your thin point? So like I said, this is gonna be a little more advanced, so follow along and you can hit pause or stop the video as you see fit. So first of all, we're gonna kind of find the middle of our page, imaginary line, and we're gonna draw two ovals. I'll start. One, and then the other one's gonna be touching, so almost like two eggs. All right, and then we'll draw two dots for the eyes. Okay, and then coming out of these eyes are these expressive eyebrows. One, two. And we'll start with the nose. So underneath the eyes, we'll do a upside down U. And then a couple of marks on the side. Good job. Now on the side of the nose, we'll have two marks that come down. One, two. And those will be like the nose marks. Now we're gonna draw a smile. Slimer always has this big grin. So one mark, two mark. These two marks are about the same level as the nose. And we're gonna connect those, okay? So here we go, we'll go down and up. Okay, now above the eyes, we'll go above the eyes, we're gonna do, start in the middle, and we'll do a big circle over, or half circle over that eye, and a half circle over that, almost like a big M. Good job. Okay, we're gonna move down to the smile. Starting here, we'll go out and in. Okay, and on the other side, we're gonna do the same thing, but it's gonna go a little bit longer. So out, in, down. See, it's a little longer. Make that one a little bit longer than the other one. Good job. Okay, this is gonna make room for the tongue. Make a little line like that. Okay, here goes the big tongue. This part might be a little hard. So I'm gonna start at this point, and I'm gonna go up and down. So watch this. Up and down. Can you do that? Okay. And then start over here. Go up and down. Okay, this is the point of the tongue. So we'll go around and up.
Kind of looks like a pepper.
It kind of does look like a jalapeno pepper, huh? And he already connected his, but I'm gonna connect mine, this line there. And this part of the mouth we're gonna bring down so it touches the tongue. So watch this, down, touch the tongue. Okay. Okay, should we draw the teeth and the gums? This part's fun. So we're gonna start at this corner right here, and I'm gonna draw a little line, and another one over here, a little line. And the first tooth is gonna be like a big, kind of a square, a rounded square, maybe a little oval. Good. And then we're gonna bring some space here, and we're gonna do another one of those teeth. 1, and another one, 2, and then a smaller one, 3. Yep. Another big one, and then a smaller one, and then connect to that gum. So these are the gums, and these are the teeth. All right, so we got the mouth built out. Let's do this. Slimer has a big, chubby lip, so we're gonna start right here and do a big kind of half circle and bring it into the tongue. Excellent. Okay. Now we're gonna move up here to the head and up right about, we're gonna kind of do a couple half circles around this smile. So watch this, we'll do one right there and one over here. These are the big cheeks, Slimer's big chubby cheeks. Now we're gonna connect the cheek to the eyebrow area. So draw that down, draw that down, connect those two. Good. Okay, cool. So now let's create Slimer's fat body here. Up, I'm gonna bring this down a little bit. Now up to this cheek area, I'm gonna go around in a circle, okay? Like this. Here I go. Start at the cheek, bring it down, and a big chubby body. Good. We're gonna do the same thing over here. We're gonna connect it to this. Go around the tongue and connect. Nice. It's kind of like a, what shape is that? A squishy raindrop or a marshmallow looking kind of thing? Okay, so Slimer has some lines here. We'll do maybe a line like this. We'll bring one over here. We'll bring it off of the body. We'll do a little line right there under the tongue. 1, 2, like that. And we're gonna bring a line up from the lip, and then a little one right there. And that kind of shows, let's bring another one here like this. Just kind of shows the slime and the chubbiness of Slimer, huh? Okay, so we're almost done. We're gonna do the arms and hands. Now this part is a little more challenging. You ready? The hands, follow along good here. We're gonna go like a swoop. Can you do a swoop? Almost like a upside down. Good. We'll do the same shape over here. Start and do like that. Okay. This is the thumb, so we're going to bring it down. Do the same thing. Just kind of the opposite. Okay, this is going to be a finger up, and a finger. See what I did there? Good. Another finger. You can make them big and fat. Bring it down and connect it. Good job. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to go, we got a bug flying. Every video we have a bug flies through. Okay, we're going to do a finger up, big chubby fingers, and then connect it to the thumb. Nice, Kimberly doing great, looks great. Now we'll do the arms. So this arm will start up here by the cheek. This will be the shoulder, like that. We'll do the same thing over here, like that. Okay, make another one, bump. Okay, now we're gonna connect this to the hand right here. Bump and down to the hand. We're gonna start skinny right here, and then we're gonna go big up to the body. So right, watch this. Bump to the body. It's kind of got muscles, huh? Good. So over here we're gonna go bump to the hand, and then start skinny, bump, and into the body. All right, there's our Slimer outline. You can put away your black markers right now, and we're gonna color Slimer. I'm gonna do a light green, red inside the mouth, pink for the tongue, yellow for the eyes, and then we'll do some dark green around these shadow areas, and we should be good. What do you think, Kimball?
Yeah.
Looks good. Okay, fast forward everybody. Thanks for joining us on Hey Kids, Let's Draw.